Hello again, and welcome to another info session with Akrami & Associates. Today we'll be discussing the 6 selection factors related to the Federal Skilled Worker application. This is an application for permanent residence whereby foreign skilled workers are able to obtain this status in Canada depending on a number of different factors. These are language ability, education, experience, arranged employment, age, and adaptability. When it comes to language ability, you will need to take a recognized language test which will determine your Canadian language benchmark. Depending on the kind of test you take, these benchmarks vary, but overall you must get a minimum of a language benchmark 6 in order to qualify. Your education will be based on your credentials in terms of the schooling you have previously obtained, whether it be secondary, post-secondary, or otherwise. In terms of your work experience, having previous years of experience in your intended occupation will work greatly towards the overall success of your application. Arranged employment depends whether or not you have a permanent full-time offer of employment in Canada. If you do not worry, it is not a requirement of the application, but again it goes to strengthening the overall success of your application. Finally, based on your age, you will also receive certain consideration towards the overall outcome of the application. Finally, adaptability depends on your ability to successfully take care of yourself while in Canada, whether that be settlement funds or funds readily available for your stay, as well as previous work experience in Canada, or family that is currently a permanent resident or citizen of Canada. Your application will be assessed against a point system whereby you must obtain 67 out of 100 points. These selection factors each have a cap for the number of points you can obtain per section. If you score over 67, you do qualify for the application but may not necessarily be approved. It is up to the officer to determine whether or not you are a good fit for Canada. If you are interested in the Federal Skilled Worker application, contact Akrami & Associates and we'll give you a brief assessment of what you might score on the point system and determine what your options are. With Akrami & Associates, there's always a way.